Whoa! 3 million pesos. We lost 3 million pesos to a business. So this video I shot way back in January, and the idea really was, honestly, I just wanted to support entrepreneurs. Kasi at this point ng January, para mga 3 months na nagsara yung negosyo namin. And so, ang revenge ko is supporting other businesses. This will be a series of me going out looking for businesses on Facebook Marketplace. Yung mga wala pa sa Grab, yung mga maliliit pa lang, hindi pa nakapag-register, mom and pop at-home businesses. Speaking to the owners, how they started their business, where the ideas came from, how they're growing it, how they're sustaining it, and why did they decide to gamble their time and gamble their money by opening up a food business. But genuinely, gusto ko lang talaga sumuporta ng mga negosyo, especially around the vicinity of Makati and San Juan. Anyways, let's go. So I went on Facebook and eventually I figured walang mahanap sa marketplace. And then naisip ko, wait lang, may mga city food groups pa ba or yung mga village food groups na alam nyo yun, nung pandemic. And so I actually found na may mga active na community pa rin na ganun pala. On there, I found a couple of businesses and this is the first one.
Here we go, guys.
Okay, so papunta sa area na to, medyo masikip lang yung kalsada. Pero pagdating namin, nakita ko ang kapal ng menu nila. Medyo na-excite ako pumasok.
Hello. Nice. Ma'am, actually gumagawa ako ng content. Pwede kita ma-interview saglit.
Wala, kagising ko lang, sir.
Kagising mo lang. Kahit na wala na sa camera.
Ang kasi galing kami event.
Okay lang. Nag-i-events din kayo?
Oo, di-events din kami.
Anong food cart?
Yes po.
Oh. So may tanong ako, kamusta yung online order sa Facebook Marketplace?
Okay naman po. Medyo since nag-ano kami sa Mandaluyong, lumalakas po yung Bliss.
Hindi siya Mandaluyong talaga nung una.
Sa ano po talaga to, Isabela.
Isabela?
Opo,
Wow.
Isabela. So second branch po ito.
Ano mas marami? Walk-ins or online order?
Online orders po.
Nasa Grab ba kayo?
Wala pa po eh. For ano pa lang siya. Sa page pa lang po kami.
And so I found out na galing talaga silang province. Tapos dinala nila yung negosyo nila dito to see kung okay din ba ang reception ng mga taga Maynila.
Wow. Looks good. Parang sarap nito ah.
Wow! Look at that. And it's individually packed, individually wrapped too. Okay, time to taste it. I mean, if it tastes as good as it looks, then... I'm gonna go straight for it and say it was good. The egg was well portioned, the cheese was cheesed, the sausage wasn't too salty, the veggies were crunchy. It all actually seemed fresh. With the first one done and setting the bar high, we head to our next location.
Hello po!
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Pwede ba kita ma-interview saglit? Naghahanap kami ng mga small businesses na iso-support.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Gano'n ka nakatagal nagluluto nito?
Since college 2020.
2020 pa?
Yes.
Paano mo siya na-start? Online talaga?
Started as a feasibility study. So, I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship from Polytechnic University of the Philippines San Juan Campus. And that was our business plan. So, kumbaga sa course namin yun yung thesis. Bali, 2 years po kami nag-operate online project lang talaga siya, purely. Then, 2022, graduate na po kami. So, that was November 7. After that, na-stop na si Patless kasi syempre, we tried na po to venture sa mga banks and financial institutions. Until last year, May, nag-resign na po ako, 2025. Then, I pursued na po yung business.
Sin, full-time ka dito?
Yes, nag-start po ako nung October na. Kasi nung May po, up to
Wait, sorry, October 2024?
25. Last year lang.
Last year lang. Grabe.
Last year ko na lang siya pinurso. Kasi now po, pinaprocess ko ng incorporation niya, yung pag-register, tapos naghanap na rin ako ng pwesto. So currently, may dalawa na po ako reseller na isang shop, parang kainan siya, so bawal sabihin. Kasi syempre nagma-markup din siya. Tapos yung isa naman po is yung kagrupo ko din nung college. So, renesell niya po sa mga bankmates niya sa Ayala. And also this week din po gusto ko ding i-shoutout ang RTU Bonnie kasi may nag-message sa akin na student, nagpapasponsor. So since ang goal ko is makilala pa ulit yung Patless, since malapit lang naman yung school nila, nag-sponsor po ako ng mga gift cards para sa mga students para magawa yung seminar nila.
Okay, so this is Patless. This is legitimately a home-cooked business. She finds a place for her business. Here we go. Wow. Love that sound. I like how it's overflowing. When my wife and I taste food, before we say anything, we have to taste it once, and then breathe it in, and then go for a second round. I'm gonna go for a bigger bite this time.
It's good.
It's good, right? I would buy this at a restaurant.
Comparable. Usually when you buy from FB Marketplace, sometimes it's too sweet, so it tastes cheap.
That's what I was saying. Sometimes,
Yeah.
most
this
times
one-
actually.
Yeah, this one doesn't taste cheap.
Yeah.
And there we have it. Number 2, blowing it out of the water. Miss Potless, congratulations. We absolutely love your lasagna. Guys, if you can order, this is her page. Check her out. Put in your order. And now, punta na tayo sa pangatlong lokasyon na sobrang layo pala. Hindi ko ewan ko ba't feeling ko ang lapit lang ng Taguig. But here we are. Okay, so we have arrived here somewhere in Taguig. Ito na yung episode na kung saan talaga ako napadpad. It took me 35 minutes to get from Makati to here. Actually, gumagawa ko ng YouTube video na parang support local. Ganyan. Pwede ba kita may interview saglit?
Ay, bibidyoan mo. Nag-start ako ng 2022, tapos nag-cut lang siya. Tapos ngayon ko lang siya ulit inulit. Pero work ko siya na dati before, sa Rustans siya. Tapos po, may mga product knowledge doon, kaya ginawa ko na siya as business.
Ang galing! Pero nag-work ka pa ngayon?
Ay, hindi na, ano na lang, business na.
Full-time ka dito? Ang galing! Fully online ka lang, wala kang pwesto.
Wala pa po.
Facebook Marketplace lang lahat?
Yes po. Yes po, marketplace lang din.
Yung food trays mo, ganun din?
Yes po. May page lang akong ginawa. Konti pa lang yung followers doon, pero okay din. Makakakuha naman ng event.
Look at that. Smells good too. As you can see here, Pocky pretzels. Tastes good. Time to taste the cheese. Okay. I mean, cheese. Okay, so I'll jot down the inclusions of the grazing box over here. Okay, so to summarize, we thought that it could have been better, but at the price point of 1,500, it was right there. It was right there. We are finally down to our last food business. And what better way to end this episode than by eating something that is truly local and relevant to Filipino food history. Actually, hindi ko alam kung Pinoy ba talaga itong next na pagkain, pero panoorin nyo na.
Sana naman po masikip na lugar ang aming dadaanan.
Mag 1 year pa lang kami ngayon.
Mag 1 year pa itong pwesto?
Oo.
Talaga?
Eh dati po papahian ito, pero itong kainan, mag 1 year pa lang. Gusto na kasi ako mag-try ng recipe, pero wala talaga kaming background sa kainan.
Itong sisig, kaninong recipe siya?
Meron kaming mga hinakain na tagaluto. Tapos tuwing may tagaluto kami, merong naiiwang yung recipe talaga na per province. Tapos yung katulad nung may mga tuna kami tinola, talaga namin yun sa Davao kasi sa Davao.
Davao.
Yung sisig naman, naka-eat talaga siya yung opening ng menu.
Dati pa lang, umpisa pa lang.
Umpisa pa lang. Tapos in-improve niya kasi talaga siya yung mga international cuisine.
Thank you. Nagtitingin lang ako ng mga negosyo na online.
Online.
Facebook Marketplace. Ay, pala.
Doon lang ako nakakuha ng mga orders.
Ang galing nga eh.
Kasi kami ng kapatid ko, tapos magbabayad pa ako ng tax.
They said this was Pampanga sisig. As you can see, you have the calamansi, the mixture of pork head, pork brains, and everything over here. You've got the green sile, tapos meron ka ring siling labuyo, onions, and some other secret sauce, I would think. Time to taste it. I can taste the smokiness of the sisig, and immediately it's spicy. Parang wala naman ako nakagat na anghang, but I think okay yung ratio ng fat to meat. It's got a kind of like a sticky situation going on. I don't know if it's texture, but I like it. I actually like sisig that's like this. It might probably be from the mayonnaise and the oil, but this is the kind of sisig that I actually like. If it were crunchy, a little bit more crunchy, it would be perfect for me. Kind of like sisig sarada, but less the smokiness. And that is it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I mean, I'm editing it right now. I was watching through the entire footage, and this video sucks. But honestly, I really just wanted to go out there and support other business owners. I wish I could have done actual reviews. I just don't want to come off as like, an obnoxious business owner also reviewing other other businesses, so I didn't really have anything but kind words for any of the food that I tasted. Honestly, I think I got lucky because genuinely all of them were good. Lahat sila masarap. But hopefully next time I give better reviews on the food because now it makes sense for me, and generally just improve the shots of the food so it's more scrumptiously looking on cam. That doesn't make sense. Anyways, that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Do people still say that on YouTube?